in her hair, like, you know? But don't cover it too much. Go towards her neck. Go towards her neck. The back. The back.
So leave up the one that you did before. When I take it out.
Yeah?
No.
Wait.
Yeah, the bedroom, yeah, summer. Yeah.
That's something get busy.
Listen.
Yeah, right, check out.
Get jiggy here, baby.
Right, check out summer.
Let me get my slippers.
No, I'm not using shit.
We can't see the top. We need to see the top of these. Okay? Yeah, you're not gonna show it.
I'm gonna show you from a different angle, man.
Yeah, so let's see.
Right? I'm gonna shoot them from. Yeah, go take off this now.
Yeah, I'm gonna give her the DP thing in the Asha.
Let's press it right here. First of all, this is not gonna show. The only thing it's gonna show
Right,
is
that's
your
Roxanne, right? That's Roxanne.
and here. Let me see something. Let me tell you.
Wait, let me tell you.
Go up, babes. Go up in the position I told you. Let me see. See, there's nothing showing. Just the hips, the thighs, and the top of the breast. You're gonna make the breast have the cleavage up top. So rest them up on him and then ease down. You understand? Go up more. I can't see anything with your chest. Nice. That's perfect.
Would she be able to move? Would she be able to
Come into his neck. She has to be able to come into his neck.
I'm not saying.
This position is hard. So you want nothing but the best, babes. You understand? You want nothing but the best. Alright, go into his neck, let me see something. You put your hand around her neck. Because you're feeling it, you're making love. Exactly, that's what you're talking about. You're not talking about sex, you're talking about loving, baby. Alright? She going into your neck, you hold on to her because you're feeling all this.
You know, you get broke.
I know she gets it done. She
quiet, you know, but
From that
Guys, look at the tape.
you're really tired to chew.
Alright, we're doing the scene now where Queen Bee is walking to the shower.
Alright, rolling.
Rolling? Go.
Yeah. Go down. Yeah. I'll tell you.
One more time.
Drink the juice for me need. The way she love it, she know what kind to cheat. She don't want to go where she stay home, so go be of the week. She comes for food that fit me clothes them need. She love it more than all the world can see. She love it when me put her on the heat. She have to buy a panty cooler when it get too sweet. Cause the boys different from the men. When it comes to the bedroom, girl, I am the man. You different from the men. When it comes to the bedroom.
You is not following you back. Okay. Be mine.